Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today we are going to be doing the Ankara Turban tutorial, so let's just get right into it. So welcome back guys. If you've not subscribed, I would like you to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. So I folded the hair tie in a triangular shape. So as you can see, I placed it on the back of her neck, making sure the ears are inside the hair tie. So I'm just securing the ears and using her hands to press down the gilly, using her hands to press down the hair tie. So as you can see, she'll hold it down for me so it doesn't slip off when I tie it on her. So I'm just going to twist it 3 times. This is to make sure the knot shows in the front of her forehead. So I'm just going to raise up the other third tail of the hair tie. These 2 hands here, I'm going to tie that down behind her neck, behind her head, sorry. So it's tightly secured. I'll do a double knot at the back, and then yes, bringing down the third hand of the gilly, I'll just style that in front of the knot, at the back of the knot, sorry, using my safety pin. That's the office pin, holding that down with the office pin. So you just style it anyhow you want it. If you want it all to the side, you move it all to the side. If you want it at the middle, you leave it at the middle. So I just want my own to be at the middle, and I'm styling it down to the side. So as you can see, I'm just securing and creating a little bit like 2-3 step pleats like that, just to give it a stylish look. So can you see, I just twisted everything and push it, and voila, you have your Ankara turban. As simple as this. So what I want you guys to do for me now is to subscribe. If you want more videos like this, you subscribe, like and comment. I'm open to suggestions and corrections. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.